Hello, today I will guide you on how to change compatibility mode settings in Windows 11 or Windows 10. This feature is useful if you are trying to run older software that doesn't work well with newer versions of Windows. Let's jump right in. Step 1, locate the application shortcut. Click the search icon on the taskbar. Type the name of the application you want to change compatibility settings for. Right-click the app in the search result, then choose Open File Location. In the File Location window, right-click the shortcut icon of the app and choose Properties. Step 2, enable Compatibility Mode. In the Properties window, go to the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in compatibility mode for. Click the drop-down menu and select the version of Windows you want. Click Apply and then OK to save the settings. If you're unsure about which compatibility settings to choose, Windows offers a built-in tool called Compatibility Troubleshooter to help detect and fix issues automatically. You will see a message asking for your consent to run diagnostics and automated steps. Simply click Yes to proceed, and Windows will try to fix the compatibility issue with the app. And that's it. You've now learned how to change compatibility settings on your Windows 10 or 11 computer. This should help you run older programs more smoothly. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.